Hi friends! Today we'll be learning short E CVC words. Are you ready? Let's go! The first word ending is ED. ED says ed. Let's say it together. Ed. Let's look at some words that end with ed. 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 Bed. This bed is big. Ed. Ed. Red. The paint is red. Ed. Ed. Ted. The boy's name is Ted. Ed. Ed. Shed. The tools are in the shed. Great job, kids. Let's try again. Bed. Red. Ted. Shed. The next word ending is EG. EG says egg. Egg. Let's look at some words that end with egg. 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 Beg. She's holding her hands out to beg. Egg. Egg. Leg. The man is stretching his leg. Egg. Egg. Meg. The girl's name is Meg. Egg. Egg. Peg. The pegs are on the table. Great job, kids. Let's try again. Beg. Leg. Meg. Peg. The next word ending is EN. EN says N. Let's say it together. N. Let's look at some words that end with N. 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 Hen. The hen is eating with her chicks. N. N. Men. The men are talking. N. N. Pen. The pen is black. N. N. 10. The woman is holding 10 fingers up. Great job, kids. Let's try again. Hen. Men. Pen. 10. The next word ending is et. Et says et. Et. Let's look at some words that end with et. J, et. J, et. Jet. The jet is flying high in the sky. N, et. N, et. Net. That is a fishing net. P, et. P, et. Pet. The girl's pet is a dog. W, et. W, et. Wet. The children are getting wet. Great job, kids. Let's try again. Jet. Net. Pet. Wet. Great job, kids. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe for new videos. See you soon.